Hi everyone. So welcome back to the Biweekly contest 140 of LeetCode. Question 2, which says maximize the total height of unique towers. You are given an array maximum height where maximum height I denotes the maximum height the I tower can have. So we have an array and this array contains the maximum height of the each tower the tower can have. So we have given two tasks, like two towers cannot have the same height. So you have to decrease the height, adjust the height. Here we have 3 and 3, so this is not possible, and the height of the I tower is a positive integer and does not exceed maximum height I. So here maximum height is 4, so you cannot give a new height to any other tower which will exceed this maximum height. Like you cannot assign a new height 5. It should be always less than the maximum height, the new array which you will be assigning to the new array. And it's very simple actually. If you see, I thought this question can be solved by sliding windows, but then I just saw that like we can just solve this question greedily also, because it's not a sliding window. And here we are not asked to return the array. We have to just maximize the possible total sum. You have to return the sum, which is very easy, right? So therefore I have sorted it so that I can get the maximum element at the end of the array. So I've taken this S to return the final sum, and I've taken a C, which is taking the current element, and which is of course at the end of the array. So here if you see, this is the case 1, right? So here previously we had 2 3 4 3, and after sorting it become like that, right? And now the C is equals to 4. I'm writing the value of every array, and I is equals to 3, zero based indexing, right? So here we are traversing the for loop from the back side because we are taking the highest element. And if maximum element anytime, if it is less than the current element, which is also, it cannot be actually, then we will do this. Otherwise maximum height will be always is equals to C. Here the maximum height is 4, that is here, right? Both of them have the same value, right? Therefore this condition is not satisfying. Therefore maximum height is equals to C here. 4 current is becoming 4 here. And if any time, since they said that it should be a positive integer, so between I have added this. Previously I have added this in this one at the last, but it didn't work, so I have put it in between. If anytime C is less than 0, like it's negative current height, it cannot be negative, always it have to be positive, then you have to just return -1. Otherwise just find the the greatest element from the last of the array, that's how I traverse it from the end, and then keep on adding the current element and decrease the current element by 1, so that when you go to the next element you can check with the current element, the maximum height element. That is how. And after that I have written the sum. See, if we see here this one, so after that the sum will become what? 4. And then if I is equals to 2, C will become 3, right? So now again what will happen? We have C will become 3, right? So again here we have 3, so this will become plus 3, right? And now C will become 2, right? And I is in first, so maximum element is what? 3. This is greater than this, so C will become, it is saying this will become 3, right? But here see, after it comes from here, C will be 3 and then C will be 2, and then we have the same element. Like here maximum element is 3, right, which is greater than C, because C is 2 now, so it won't work. So this C won't become the maximum element since it is opposite, so C will be remaining 2 here. Since maximum height is greater, therefore C will remain as 2, it won't change to the maximum element. Therefore sum plus is it will become 7 plus 2, right? And then again, now c is equals to, again decrementing c, after decrementing c it will become 1, and then 1 is, and then current element is 2. So again maximum element is increasing, so c will remain as 1, and the sum will become 9 plus 1, that is sum is equals to 10. That is how this output came, 10. I hope you have understood. If you have not, you can just dry run once. See, if any time maximum height is greater than c, so c won't change its value. But if any time maximum height is less than c, at that time c will take the lesser value. And then after doing the sum operation, we will decrease the c by 1. Decrement it by 1, 1. So that is what about this. And the time complexity is of course very simple. We have used a for loop, and here we have taken a sort function. So of course big O of log n. I hope you have understood, and the space complexity will be what? Just tell in the comment section. I hope you have loved it, and if you did understood the solution, then please like, share and subscribe, and yeah, keep lit coding. Bye bye, good night.